channel. Good morning to all. Today I'm back with another beautiful thought of the day, and I'm showing how to present a thought of the day in the school assembly. So let's start. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I'm here to present a thought of the day. Today's thought is silence gives rest to the mind, and this means giving rest to the body. Sometimes rest is the only medicine needed. I repeat my thought. Silence gives rest to the mind, and this means giving rest to the body. Sometimes rest is the only medicine needed. This thought means silence gives rest to the mind. Resting the mind is nothing but resting the body. Rest is very important for our body. It works like a medicine. Thank you. I hope you liked my thought of the day. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a good day.